Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install BODI by Beachbody. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. BODI app is a fitness app created by Beachbody that offers a variety of workout program, nutritional guidance, and motivational content. Proceeding to the video, go to your Play Store or App Store, then search BODI. There you can see BODI by Beachbody. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open BODI app to help you with your fitness journey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.